I wanted to find a way of teaching my students about the Internet of Things, but it was hard to find a tool to support such a complex topic and make it simple enough for the classroom. I really believe that we should be teaching students about this right now. The IoT will be something that they'll use in their everyday lives, and they may be getting jobs that require using this kind of technology, although I don't think anyone's sure what those jobs will be yet. When I came across the Explore IoT Kit, it seemed like something I could use to help my students understand this kind of technology and how it works in the world around them. The kit turned out to be a really powerful learning opportunity and a beginner-friendly way to get started with the Internet of Things for those who are a little less confident. It was great to see my students create, use and understand internet-connected objects, and I can totally see how we can keep building on that learning and grow in complexity. It feels like I'm teaching them tangible skills that they'll need and use in the future.